All Parties Hurriyat conference has categorically stated that people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are rendering sacrifices for freedom and not for any election process within the Indian constitution. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar made it clear to the Modi-led India that no elections can be accepted as an alternative to the Kashmiris' universally accepted right to self-determination. He pointed out that Kashmir resistance movement is legitimate and purely democratic, while Indian integral part mantra is absolutely baseless and has been rejected by the Kashmiris through massive attended anti-India rallies. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Kashmir dispute is now a dominant issue in the international political arena because of being directly linked to the three nuclear powers, Pakistan, India and China. He hoped that Pakistan and India would prefer to avoid a war on Kashmir and start a meaningful dialogue process to resolve the dispute once and for all. Meanwhile, posters with pictures of Qaeda-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, and Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa have appeared in the Kashmir Valley ahead of the Kashmir Solidarity Day being observed in Pakistan on February 5th to express solidarity with the Kashmiri people. The posters that appeared in most parts of the valley, including Srinagar, extended thanks to the government of Pakistan for effectively presenting the case of Kashmiri people at all international forums. Sikhs have called for stopping trains in New Delhi tomorrow as a protest against gruesome incident of gang rape and full public view humiliation of a 20-year-old Sikh girl by Hindu extremists in New Delhi. Sikhs for Justice Chief Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, while giving the call for the protest, has asked the Sikhs in India to hold forceful protests tomorrow to convey to the world that Sikhs are slaves in India and they want a separate homeland for themselves in Punjab. A New Delhi-based think tank, the Rights and Risks Analysts Group, in its 2021 report said that media freedom remained denied to journalists in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It maintained that Kashmiri journalists are summoned to police stations, booked, manhandled and beaten by forces personnel while their houses are raided. On press freedom in India, the report said that at least 6 journalists were killed, 108 attacked and 13 media houses were targeted during last year. Renowned Indian journalists including Prem Shankar Jha, Vinay Kumar, Shahid K. Abbas and T.R. Ramachandran, speaking at an event to mark Press Club of India's 64th Foundation Day in New Delhi, flagged that the media in India never faced such a serious threat to its survival as it does today. They said that attempts were being made to muzzle the voice of free media and to make it subservient to the power of the Modi government.